In search and rescue and disaster relief, the ground gets busy fast. When seconds count, every tool must be exactly where you need it. Meet the FMRS Tool Station, a multifunctional foldable mat that becomes your central storage and assembly area, protecting rescue tools throughout the operation. Built from strong Complan material, resistant to wear and tear, non-absorbent, water-repellent, dirt-repellent, and fully washable. With a large 2,480 by 1,980 mm footprint, you get room to stage, sort, and assemble, keeping tools visible and accessible for the whole team. It folds quickly, stores easily, and comes with a carrying bag, ready to deploy, move, and pack down without slowing the mission. By creating one central tool station, you cut clutter, reduce misplacement, and protect critical equipment from contamination and damage. That means quicker task cycles, fewer interruptions, and more readiness when operations run long. From urban search to disaster response. Bring order to the ground and protection to your tools. FMRS Tool Station. Tools secured, scene controlled.